You can customize the layout of your workspace by adjusting the length of the riser between 31.5 inches and 42.5 inches while pivoting the side panels to your preferred angle. By elevating your screens to a comfortable, ergonomic viewing height, this accessory helps alleviate the physical strain often felt in the neck, back, and shoulders during long sessions at the computer. The unit creates valuable vertical space with 3 distinct storage compartments underneath the shelf that are large enough to hide away a keyboard, mouse, or office files when they are not in use. Integrated convenience features include a dedicated slot to prop up your smartphone for easy monitoring and a built-in management system to keep unsightly cables neatly organized. Assembly is incredibly straightforward and can be completed in just 3 minutes, resulting in a sturdy platform that utilizes non-slip rubber feet to ensure your expensive electronics remain stable. Constructed from high-quality wood materials with a clean finish, this desk organizer adds a touch of modern elegance to your office while effectively reducing desktop clutter.